Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel Universe of Joy. The topic is transformer, and the subtopics which I would be discussing are the types of transformer, their expressions and diagram. What is a transformer? The transformer is a practical application of mutual induction. It's mainly used for decreasing and increasing AC current. This is the working of a transformer. Uses of transformer. Its uses are common because it changes voltage at little loss of energy. Their examples where we can use the transformer are given below, as game systems, printers, at homes, in the stereos, etc. The parts of transformer. It mainly have two coils. One is the primary coil represented as Np. The second is the secondary coil represented by Ns. On the left side we have the primary coil which is acting as an input, because from here we gives the voltage to the system. This voltage passes across the iron core and gets to the secondary coil, from where we can get the voltage as an output. The working principle of a transformer. The primary coil is connected to a source of AC voltage. The changing current creates a changing magnetic field. It is carried through iron core to secondary coil. In this way, alternating EMF is being induced. The EMF induced in the secondary coil, called the secondary voltage represented as Vs, is proportional to the primary voltage represented as Vp. The secondary voltage also depends on the ratio of the number of turns on the secondary coil to the number of turns on the primary coil, as shown in the given expression. Types of transformers: step-up transformer, step-down transformer, and the ideal transformer. Step-up transformer is a transformer that increases the AC voltage. In the step-up transformer, the number of turns on the secondary coil are greater than the number of turns on the primary coil. The voltage of the secondary coil is also greater than the voltage of primary coil. While in the step-down transformer, it decreases the AC voltage and the number of turns on the secondary coil are greater than the number of turns on the primary coil, and the voltage of the primary coil is greater than the voltage of secondary coil. Now comes the ideal transformer. An ideal transformer dissipates no power itself, and for such a transformer we can write that the power of the primary coil is equal to the power of the secondary coil. The voltage of the primary and the current of the primary is equal to the voltage and current on the secondary. Thank you so much. This is the end of my video. Jazakumullahu khairan kaseera.